Hey folks, Dan Wehmeier here. Well, today we are discussing Scotch Broom. And if you live in the Pacific Northwest, you understand how invasive this species can be. But did you realize that Scotch Broom was originally introduced in the 1850s by Captain Walter Grant as an ornamental shrub? Well, since then, Scotch Broom has infested tens of thousands of acres all throughout the Northwest. And each shrub can produce over 10,000 seeds each year. And these seeds, if left undisturbed, can lay dormant 30 to 80 years. So now you're asking, what are we supposed to do? Well, the first recommendation they have is using a weed wrench. Here's a picture of one. Now, a weed wrench is great on a small scale around your house, alongside the road where it's easy to get to. But what do you do when you have several acres of Scotch Broom? Well, they'll tell you you can use a herbicide treatment. Now, I'm not a big fan of herbicides, and I don't like this treatment because now you have dry tinder, 6 to 8 feet tall, very dense. And when Scotch Broom catches fire, it burns hot, it burns fast, and it's out of control. So I highly recommend using a forestry mulcher like we do. You can mow it all down, and now it is manageable. Check out this quick video of what we've been doing. So I highly recommend using our forestry mulchers. With our machines, we can quickly come in and reclaim your property. What's left behind is a thick layer of mulch. This mulch will break down, adding nutrients back to the soil while hindering future weed growth. It also makes it manageable. So you can go in with a simple brush hog, or you can use a herbicide treatment without the risk of a catastrophic wildfire, or even a rough cut lawnmower just to keep it all at bay. On top of that, I highly recommend planting native grasses and vegetation. Once established, the native vegetation will outshade the Scotch Broom. You can win the battle with Scotch Broom. It's a long, hard-fought battle, but you can win. So if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us. I'll do the best I can to answer any of them. And if you are interested in our services, we cover the entire state of Washington. So please reach out to us and we'll see what we can do for you. Thank you.